Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you a little tip on how to determine where your leads came from so that you can track your leads and your marketing and see what's working and what's not. So basically you're going to come into your IDXBroker control panel and you're going to come right into the home section and you're going to go over to traffic stats. Then you're going to click on, in this window, just so you know, you can see all of your traffic. You can group it by domain, you can group it by refer, you can change to show more or less or however you want. But we're going to, in this example, go over to raw traffic. And I'm just going to go ahead and move it up to 100. And then what you're going to do right here is you're going to click on lead name. And then you're going to click it again because it's going to first show you no lead and then it's going to show you the actual lead name. And so for this example, you can see this guy, Lou, and this is all the traffic. But if we keep following it back, we should be able to see where he first originated from. So he must have just gone to a results page somehow. Maybe he had it saved in his browser. So we're going to keep going. And there you go. You can see Diane Thomas originated from Facebook. So all of them aren't going to be perfect. They're not going to tell you all of them, but you will get information here that will help you. So usually it goes by date and time. You can see each time goes down. So for Steve, and we can't really tell where Steve came from, but let's go to the next one, Lee Berry. You can see she's visiting the site, and she's definitely clicking on back and forth through the home page. She may have bookmarked it. And she came from Facebook. So there you go. So do that. Hopefully this tutorial has helped you guys out. And if you have any questions, give us a call. We'd love to help you out. 517-917-0582. If this video helped you, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful videos in the future. Thanks and have a great day.
Yeah, pero, like, yeah.